Hi everyone, today we're doing Unit 4 Polynomial Equations and Inequalities. Starting with Lesson 4.1, Solving Polynomial Equations. When we approach a polynomial equation problem, first we have to state the givens and the unknowns. Then try to find the algebraic expression, which is the polynomial equation, by looking at the original question and the given information in the problem. At last, we can solve. So let's take a look at example 1 from your learning resources. Kara is making a giant cylindrical garbage can with a globe lid on top. It is 15 meters tall and has a total volume of 684 pi meter cubed. Determine the possible value for the radius of the garbage can. In step 1, we have to state our givens. We know the volume is 684 pi meters cubed. We also know that the height is 50 meters tall, and that's all we know. That's all the givens. Step 2, we have to find our algebraic expression. We know the total volume of the garbage can equals to the volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the globe, which is the lid on top. The volume of the cylinder equals to pi r squared times the height of the cylinder. The volume of the globe equals to 4 over 3 times pi r cubed. However, this is only half of a globe, so it's going to be like a semicircle shape because it's only a lid. So we have to time it by 1 over 2. In the next step, we can fill in what was given and solve to find a polynomial. So that would be 684 pi equals to pi r squared times 15, which is the height, plus 2 over 3 pi r cubed. And if we keep on solving, we will get 0 equals to 15 pi r squared plus 2 over 3 pi times r cubed minus 684 pi. And if we keep on solving, we will get 0 equals to 2r squared, that's 2r cubed, plus 45r squared minus 2052. Through the factors theorem and synthetic division that we have talked about in previous lecture, that's lecture 3.6, we can solve for the value of r. Right now, I'm not going to go through how to do the synthetic division again, so if you have any questions, look at lecture 3.6. But I'll just tell you now that r equals to 6 when you solve it, and that is the only solution. Thus, the garbage can should have a radius of 6 meters. Now let's take a look at example 2 from your learning resources. We're asked to solve for x when 4x cubed minus 12x squared minus x plus 3 equals to 0. What we do is first we can bracket them, because we can take out 4x squared from the first two set of numbers. And notice that what was left inside the bracket is the same thing that's left on the other two terms. What we can do now is take out x minus 3 from both the two terms, and we will be left with x minus 3 times in bracket 4x squared minus 1 equals to 0. Notice then that 4x squared minus 1 can be factors through difference of squares. So we'll get x minus 3 in bracket times in bracket 2x minus 1 times in bracket 2x plus 1 equals to 0. It's pretty obvious from here how you can solve. We know that x minus 3 has to be equal to 0, so x equals 3, or x equals to positive 1 over 2, or x can equal to negative 1 over 2. So that's the end of this lecture, and I'll see you guys next lecture.